Hi everyone. So the remaining part, that is revenue, firm's revenue curve in different market. So today this is the remaining part that we have done the first part yesterday. So we will talk about that how the revenue curve in different market take place, right? What was the shape? What is the shape of revenue curve in different market? Different market, that means perfect competition, monopoly market, and monopolistic. Along with, we will see what is the shapes of revenue curve. Okay, so revenue curve and perfectly competitive, perfectly competitive market, or perfect competition, perfect competition. तो परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में हमारा रेवेन्यू कर्व, मतलब परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में फर्म का रेवेन्यू कर्व कैसा होगा, तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में क्या होता है. सो पॉइंट बाई पॉइंट गोइंग टू टेल यू. Price is firm is what? Price taker. What does it mean, price taker? It means that whatever the price is decided in the market, or whatever the price is being decided by the market mechanism, will have to accept by the firm. So therefore we can say firm is a price taker instead of price maker. Okay. So due to the concept of price taker, so due to having price taker, the firm is able to sell a number of quantity or different number of quantity. Okay, like this is what q1, this is q2, this is representing q3, q4, and so on. Okay, but this is showing this is the constant price, because price is already determined in market, or a demand and supply mechanism. So the firm have to accept the single price, or the firm is indeed firm is a price taker. So whatever the price is just prevailing in the market, they will have to accept anyhow. So this is what constant price representing p1. So at this constant price, a firm have to sell a number of quantity. Okay, so we can say here price is, as I told yesterday, that price is equal to AR, that is average revenue. And as we all know, marginal revenue and average revenue both are, marginal revenue is constant. Okay, and average revenue is also constant. Okay, and this will be equal. So AR is equal to MR. AR is equal to P into Q, because as we all know that AR is equal to what? TR. So AR is what? TR. So we can write it like this, P into Q, because TR is what? P into Q. So AR is equal to P into Q upon Q. So Q and Q cancel out. This will become P. So ultimately we can say AR is nothing but price. So in definition, we can also represent by definition that AR is what? AR is the per unit of price of output. Okay, per unit. So this is equal to P. So therefore we can say that revenue curve under perfect competition, revenue curve under perfect competition is e- equal to horizontal axis. Okay, that is parallel to x-axis. So this is the shape of revenue curve in perfect competitive market. Okay, the most important some points going to tell you that, as we all know that perfect competition, the price is horizontal to or just equal parallel to the x-axis. Therefore, a firm, even a single firm or seller, not able to change the price, because under perfect competition, homogeneous goods homogeneous goods are selling by a number of firms. Because there are large number of firms, there are some features of perfect competition. That the first is large number of firms and large number of buyers, and also goods is homogeneous in nature. So to, if a firm wants to change or want to influence the price, they will not. Okay, they will not. Why? Because goods is homogeneous goods. goods क्या है? homogeneous goods है. ठीक है. अरे भाई, अगर बायर अगर जाएगा मार्केट में, और सपोज फर्म ए के पास गया, देर आर नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स, फर्म ए, फर्म बी, फर्म सी, फर्म डी एंड फर्म ई. देर आर नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स. If buyer goes to A and A just rise the price of good X, okay, and there is a constant price, but firm A has just rise the price of A, why will buyer go for A? why will gu- uh, why will buyer go to A and buying good X? Okay, so they will definitely move to B, who is selling at low price, that is prevailing in the market. Okay, therefore we can say a single firm is not able to influence the price or not able to change the price that is prevailing in the market. Okay, another point also noted down that if firm A just rise the price just above, the price is above that is prevailing in the market, the firm maybe the firm may lose the buyers. ओके, यदि वो प्राइस राइज करने की कोशिश करेगा, तो हो सकता है कि वो बायर को लूज कर दे. ठीक है, हो सकता है वो कस्टमर लूज कर दे, क्योंकि कस्टमर इसके पास ना आकर वो बी के पास चला जाए, या सी के पास चला जाए, या डी के पास, क्योंकि ये सब कोई जो है एक होमोजेनियस गुड्स बेच रहे हैं, एक तरह का गुड्स बेच रहे हैं. ठीक है. So conclusion is that no firm under perfect competition can change a price higher than the prevailing price. Okay, nor can it afford to change a price less than prevailing. और वो ये ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि फर्म जो है ना तो वो प्राइस राइज करने की कोशिश कर सकता है, एंड अनदर थिंग नहीं वो प्राइस वो लो करने की कोशिश कर सकता है. ठीक है, नहीं वो राइज करने की कोशिश कर सकता है और नहीं वो कम करने की कोशिश कर. राइज अगर करेगा तो विल डेफिनेटली लूज द कस्टमर, और अगर कम करने की कोशिश करेगा तो ही माइट he might have to bear he might have to bear what loss इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट. हो सकता है कि उन्हें कॉस्ट में लॉस करना पड़े, हो सकता है उन्हें कॉस्ट ज्यादा आने लग जाए. ठीक है, अगर वो प्राइस को कम करने की सोचे तो. So this is all about perfect competition, and in this perfect competition, along with the shape of the revenue curve, I also told a little bit about features of the perfect competition. Okay, now another point, that is what is the shape under monopoly markets. So revenue curve under monopoly market. So before going to the shape of revenue curve under monopoly market, let's try to understand first what is monopoly market. So I can make you a better learning. I can make you better understand the revenue curve shape under monopoly market. So this is like a mandatory to understand the features of monopoly, and little bit also about monopoly market. Okay, so monopoly is what? A single firm. Okay, a single firm and number of buyers, right? And also some points like in this, we can also write it down like no clause substitutes. Okay, highly restrictive, barrier to on entry, to entry, okay, and exit, highly barrier. And so this is the features of monopoly market. And if we see what is the shape of revenue curve, so revenue under monopoly market, the shape of revenue curve is just a downward sloping. So AR is downward sloping and MR is also downward sloping. Okay. Now talking about that, if AR, why AR is actually, so first of all let me ask a question, why AR is actually downward sloping? Why downward sloping? Okay, why downward sloping? So under monopoly, he is only a single firm. So being a single firm, he can charge he can charge the price whatever he wants, whatever he wants. Okay, so this is the features also, that if a firm wants to charge high price, okay, so if he wants to charge high price, they will definitely have to just constant, or just can we say that they will ultimately have to reduce some quantity of goods. Okay, so if he wants to charge high price high price, he will have to reduce the quantity of goods, quantity of goods for sale. Okay, then he can charge high price in that case only. So we can say, therefore, because what happened? There's just existing a inverse relationship between price and quantity. Okay, AR is what? AR is what? AR is nothing but price. Okay, so there's inverse relationship between price and quantity. Therefore, we can say, due to having a trade-off between price and quantity, a monopoly firm, the AR curve or the revenue curve under monopoly firm is just taking a downward sloping. Okay, now another in another point in monopoly markets, that if no, not monopoly, if AR is declining, MR also decline, but faster rate than AR. Okay, अगर AR डिक्लाइन करता है तो MR भी डिक्लाइन करेगा. So therefore we can say MR is also a downward sloping, but faster rate than AR. Okay, अगर AR फॉल्स करता है तो MR भी फॉल करेगा, लेकिन MR जो है हाई स्पीड से फॉल करेगा rather than AR. Okay, so we can say MR is less than AR. What does it mean? MR is just less than AR. Okay, let me understand. Let me make you clear this point, that MR is nothing but less than AR. This means that AR curve AR curve is ever MR curve. Okay, so this is about under monopoly market. This is the shape of AR curve or revenue curve under monopoly market. And along with this, I also talked about the features of monopoly market. Okay, now the last point: what is monopolistic market and what is the shape of revenue curve under monopolistic market? Okay, so revenue curve under monopolistic market. So again in this, before going to tell you the shape of revenue curve under monopolistic market, let me tell you first what is monopolistic market. Okay, is this same from monopoly market or little bit different? Let me tell you. Okay, so monopolistic market is what? Is the combination of perfect market and monopoly market. Okay, why is the combination of perfect market and monopoly market? Okay, let me make you clear. So, perfect markets. So they are actually talking. The sense is that the combination of perfect market and monopoly market. The actual sense, just taking out from this, that perfect market. There is some features that is included in monopolistic market. The features of perfect market, and also some features of monopoly market that exist in monopolistic market. Therefore, we call monopolistic market in single word. Okay, so what what kind of features actually we take in monopolistic market under perfect competition? Okay, so homogeneous product, homogeneous product, but differentiated product, differentiated product. Okay, I hope I know that this sentence might be confusing for you all. That homogeneous product along with differentiated product, what does it mean? It means that homogeneous product. Let's take an example. Salt, sorry, soap. Different kinds of soap that is coming in the market. Soap and also toothpaste. So a different number of toothpaste that is also coming in the market. So like Pepsodent, Colgate, so many soap and so many toothpaste, and in soap like Lux, Lifebuoy, and what Pierce, so many soap. Okay, so soap and Pierce and Lifebuoy and all are what? Soap, but just differentiated product. So homogeneous product, that means perfect competition. So having homogeneous product in soap, having homogeneous product, that means having homogeneous product. So due to having large number of firm or seller in the market, being create create stiff competition, stiff competition. Okay, क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे सोप है और टूथपेस्ट है, बात करें अगर अलग अलग सोप की, मार्केट में आजकल कितने तरह के सोप आ रहे हैं, लक्स आ गया, लाइफ बॉय आ गया, और जैसे कि पियर्स है, बहुत सारे सोप है। तो हर सोप क्या है, एक ही काम करता है, होमोजेनियस प्रोडक्ट है, काम एक सबका एक ही है, ठीक है, बट क्या है, थोड़ा डिफ्रेंशिएटेड है, ठीक है। तो homogeneous product क्या है, उस large number of large number of sellers being shop create a little bit stiff competition in the market. So but apart from creating stiff competition, there are some brand, some हर किसी की कुछ ना कुछ ब्रांड है। ओके, तो ब्रांड के बेसिस पे वो मोनोपोली क्रिएट कर रहा है, मोनोपोली क्रिएट कर रहा है। सो therefore we can say the combination of both, आ गया ना, perfect competition plus monopoly market. Therefore we can say, so this in single we can say monopolistic market. So I think this is enough to make you understand the concept of monopolistic market. Now coming, what is the now coming to the point that what is the revenue curve shape? what is the shape of revenue curve and a monopolistic market. So actually there is not much difference from monopoly market and monopolistic market in terms of revenue curve, but we can say in terms of only on the basis of elasticity we can make difference, or in terms of AR or revenue curve and MR curve. So AR curve and MR curve and a monopolistic curve. So AR curve is little bit more elastic, and a monopolistic curve, AR curve is more elastic as compared to monopoly market. But okay, so let me tell you again this word that under monopoly market में जो है एयर कर्व जो होता है वो थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं कह सकते, वो इन इलास्टिक होता है, इन इलास्टिक होता है, ठीक है। और ये जो है ये इलास्टिक होता है मोनोपोलिस्टिक मार्केट में। व्हाट डज इट मीन इलास्टिक, मतलब फ्लैटर, जो स्लोप होता है ना वो लेस स्लोप होता है, और लेस स्लोप, less steep we also can say. But in monopoly market, high slope, slope इसकी काफी ज्यादा होती है। ओके, तो बात करें, थोड़े एक पॉइंट है कि मोनोपोलिस्टिक मार्केट में फर्म्स का रेवेन्यू कर्व जो होता है वो मोर इलास्टिक क्यों होता है, ठीक है, वो मोर इलास्टिक क्यों होता है। तो इसका आंसर है कि हैविंग, just write it down the question first. Okay, so why firms revenue firms revenue curve is more elastic under monopolistic curve. Okay, so the point we can say that due to having the presence of, or we can say not presence but availability of closed substitutes. So this is the answer, closed substitutes. क्लोज सब्स्टिट्यूट्स होने के कारण, क्लोज सब्स्टिट्यूट्स होने के कारण जो रेवेन्यू कर्व जो होता है वो थोड़ा इलास्टिक होता है, मोर इलास्टिक होता है एज कंपेयर टू मोनोपोलिस्टिक फर्म। ओके, थोड़ा बात करें, एक पॉइंट है कि फर्म्स रेवेन्यू कर्व, और जिसे हम लोग डिमांड कर्व भी बोल सकते हैं, इन डिफरेंट मार्केट डिग्री ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी, ठीक है, डिग्री ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी क्या होती है, थोड़ा सा मतलब एक बात कर ले कि लीनियर कर्व जो होता है, बेसिकली नॉट लीनियर कर्व, एक डिमांड कर्व ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, तो इलास्टिसिटी कौन से पॉइंट पे ज्यादा इलास्टिक होता है और कौन से पॉइंट पे कम इलास्टिक होता है। तो एज वी गो अप from, let's suppose this is point A, as we go above from point A we can say more elastic at point this unitary elastic, and at point this is what, this is less elastic, or in one word we can say inelastic. Got it? So this is all about the shape of the revenue curve in different markets. Thank you all.